Looking for a natural and effective solution for anti-aging and improving skin health? Check out our H-Glow Formula review, featuring organic ingredients and real customer testimonials. Below this video, in the description box, you'll also find a link to all-natural formula for glowing skin formula that many people use to reduce the appearance of wrinkles naturally. The H-Glow Formula is a natural and organic skincare product designed to improve skin health and radiance. Ingredients: H-Glow Formula is made with natural and organic ingredients, including aloe vera, vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid. These ingredients work together to provide anti-aging benefits, boost collagen production, and improve skin texture and radiance. Benefits: H-Glow Formula provides a range of benefits for the skin, including anti-aging. The natural ingredients in H-Glow Formula work together to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, providing a more youthful and radiant appearance. Improved texture and radiance. The vitamin C in H-Glow Formula helps to brighten the skin and improve its overall texture and radiance. Reduced inflammation. Aloe vera is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce redness and inflammation in the skin. Boosted collagen production. Hyaluronic acid is a key ingredient in H-Glow Formula, helping to boost collagen production and improve skin elasticity. How to use H-Glow Formula. To incorporate H-Glow Formula into your daily skincare routine, follow these simple steps. Cleanse your face with a gentle cleanser and pat dry. Apply a small amount of H-Glow Formula to your face and neck using gentle circular motions. Allow the product to absorb into your skin before applying any additional skincare products or makeup. Overall, H-Glow Formula is a natural and effective skincare product that provides anti-aging benefits, improves skin texture and radiance, and boosts collagen production. With its organic ingredients and positive customer reviews, it's definitely worth trying out if you're looking for a new addition to your skincare routine.